We are here at this beautiful remodeled home just outside downtown San Antonio at 407 McNeel Road. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, completely renovated, and you're not going to want to miss the master bedroom bathroom because it has a complete gut job, all new tiles, new vanity, new light fixtures, the whole 9 yards. So let's go take a look. As you can see, this is the perfect home for just about anybody. The location's great. It has completely move-in ready, and there's tons of upgrades, so you don't have to worry about upgrading the kitchen or any of the bathrooms. And remember, if you want to be part of this tribe, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to Tanya Sells Sunshine. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.